In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off reachability on your iPhone. Reachability is a feature that makes it easier to use your phone with one hand by bringing the top of the screen down closer to your thumb. But if you find yourself accidentally activating reachability or just don't find it useful, turn it off is simple. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. After that, scroll down again and you'll see a section called Physical and Motor. In that section, you'll see an option called Touch. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see the reachability option. Swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. To turn off reachability on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.